Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A3 Pro and let me show you how to block a number. At first open your phone dialer. Once you are in this panel, mark more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, select settings and go to block numbers. Here you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself by tapping on add a number. So just provide it here, tap block, and that's it. To remove the blockade, just mark cross icon and mark unblock. If you want to block some particular contact, because it's also a way for that, just open your phone dialer, go to contacts, choose the contact to block. It's actually my number, so may not working properly. Then scroll down and here you'll find block number, so just mark it and it will be done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.